Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is non-phone customer service. It is in the chat realm, and they do have a 4 out of 5 star rating from previous and current employees on Glassdoor. We will get into all that. Just know that the links, if you're interested in applying to this position, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And of course, if you find this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That helps me out by giving me direct feedback that it is helpful, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But today's job lead is from the company Step Up for Students. Now, just like it says for students, they are in the education space. And so they are looking for someone who has a passion for children and education and wants to make a positive impact on families. They are hiring a part-time specialist for their e-service, and e-service means online service. Now, one thing to quickly note, even though the actual position is a part-time position, they are going to train you, and training is paid, but you have to be available full-time 40 hours per week for the first month or 4 weeks for that training. But Step Up for Students bridges the gap between customer-served students, and they are trying to focus on the core values, offering support via digital channels, including electronic chat communication, email correspondence, and all of that. So they are looking for someone proficiently work multiple online chat conversations at a time. So this is going to mean that you have to be multitasker. You'll have to explain their service and answer any questions that the customers have quickly and accurately. You'll effectively multitask between different customer service channels. They can include social media, online chat, and email. So all three of those are non-phone. You'll welcome their students in a courteous, friendly, and professional manner. You'll pay attention to the customer and students' needs and concerns, so you'll have to show empathy and caring. You'll have to confirm customer understanding of the solution and provide any additional customer education as needed. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. The only requirements they actually have, the minimum requirements, are a high school diploma or GED and 1 or more years of customer service experience in some kind of online environment. Above that, they would like someone who can type at least 55 words per minute, since you are doing multiple chat sessions, someone who is a critical thinker, of course, someone who has strong written communication skills, someone who has excellent reading comprehension skills, someone who is proficient at working with email and chat functions, and has the ability and desire to learn, be flexible, and be that critical thinker so that you can solve people's problems. Now, of course, this position is fully remote. It does say that it is hourly pay, although it does not list the pay, which brings me to their Glassdoor page. Now, like I said, they have a 4 out of 5 star rating, and they have great reviews. One review even saying that their upper management is supportive of staff and encourages that work-life balance. Now, unfortunately, I was not able to find an actual salary for a job title called e-service specialist, but just looking through their posted salaries, a regular customer resolution specialist makes anywhere from $43,000 to $51,000 a year, with the senior customer service resolution specialist making anywhere from $52,000 to $62,000 a year, an accounts receivable specialist anywhere from $47,000 to $49,000 a year. So if it was a full-time position, you could expect about around about $50,000 a year. So part-time, you can do the math on that. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.